So in this problem we have the Hulk about to hurl an iceberg at the Juggernaut, and we're trying to find the work done by the Hulk. So we have to find first the tension in the rope. So the F net x is going to be tension times cosine of theta minus the kinetic friction force, which is also equal to the tension times cosine theta minus the coefficient of kinetic friction times the normal force. Then F net y, we have t sine theta minus mg plus the normal force, which is going to be equal to 0. And so then we have to solve for t. So we have to get rid of n because we don't know n. So to do that, we multiply the F net y by the coefficient of friction, and that gives us this one. So then when we add the two, the n's cancel out, which gives us this equation. So then we can solve that for t. So we can rearrange everything to get t and plug in all the numbers, which is ridiculous numbers, and we get that the tension in the rope is this huge number right here. So then to find the work done by the Hulk, we have to take the tension times the cosine of theta, which is 15 degrees, and then multiply it by the change in x. The change in x was 100 meters. And by doing all that, we get another huge number. It's going to be joules since it's newtons times meters. And part B, we have the iceberg hitting the Hulk. Hitting the Juggernaut. So we have to know that the change in x is going to be the total distance minus how much the Hulk has run already. So it's going to be 704.672 meters. The acceleration at which the Hulk threw the iceberg is 2 meters per second squared. And the mass of the iceberg is 100 million kilograms. The force of the Hulk would be equal to the mass of the iceberg times the acceleration, which gives us 200 million newtons. So the work equals the force of the Hulk times the change in the distance minus the force of the Juggernaut. So we just solve for the force of the Juggernaut by we do force of the Hulk times the change in x, which is 200 million newtons times 704.672 meters, which gives us this number in joules.